Hello, this is I, a former Japanese teacher. Konnichiwa, I desu. Today, I would like to introduce dialogue from Genki for beginner. And I would like to study together. So after this lesson, we can introduce ourselves in Japanese, and also we can ask and tell people's names, majors at school, time, etc. So let's get started. So this is the first dialogue, and the situation is Mearii, an international student who just arrived in Japan, meets a Japanese student Takeshi at a school orientation. So this boy is Takeshi, and this girl is Mearii. So I will read first. たけしさんです。こんにちは、木村たけしです。メアリーさんです。メアリーハートです。留学生ですか？いいえ、日本人です。そうですか。何年生ですか？4年生です。So, this lesson, first, Takeshi-san, he introduced himself. So, こんにちは means hello, and Kimura Takeshi です。In Japan, first we say surname. So, Kimura is family name, and Takeshi is first name. In this dialogue, we have a grammar x equal y. We can say 何々は何々です。We will use this structure. 何々は何々です。In this case, we put subject here, and this is noun and noun. But please be noted, Japanese people tend to skip subject. So, when we introduce our name, we skip subject. Watashi means I, but we skip that subject. So, Takeshi-san said, Kimura Takeshi desu. So, this structure, 何々は何々です。But we skip the subject. So, we just say noun plus です。Kimura Takeshi desu. Then, Mearii-san. Mearii-san also introduced herself. Mearii Haato desu. So, Mearii-san, this part is her name. Mearii Haato desu. So, her name is noun plus です。Mearii Haato desu. And Mearii-san wanted to ask if Mearii-san wanted to know if Kimura Takeshi-san, if he is an international student or not. So, Mearii-san said, 留学生ですか？留学生ですか？ So, this this is filler. So, this filler implies I have a question. So, I wanted to ask you, so this filler is something like this. So, 留学生ですか？ So, 留学生. This is a noun. Then, ですか? 学生. This is student. And 留学生 means international student. So, this is noun. And then we have desu. But we also have ka. What is this ka? We can make question sentence if we put ka at the end. So, ryuugakusei desu ka means, are you an international student? 何々は何々です。This is grammar, this is structure, and we can just put ka at the end. So, this is a question sentence. Then, Takeshi-san answered, いいえ、日本人です。So, this いいえ means no. いいえ、日本人です。日本人。This is noun. So, 日本 is Japan and 人. This shows people. So, 日本人 means Japanese. Then, this is noun plus です。いいえ、日本人です。Then, メアリーさんがそうですか。何年生ですか？そうですか？ It's just showing, oh, I understand. This car is, this one, this, we have car, but it doesn't mean this is question sentence. So just, そうですか? In this scene, Mearii-san shows, oh, I understand. Then, she asked, 何年生ですか？何年生ですか？何年生 This is noun. Then, ですか So we have か So this is a question sentence. And 何年生 means which year? So, 何年生 年 means year. And 何年 is which year. And sei is same as gakusei. So this part is come from sei. So it means are you which year student? 何年生ですか? Then, Takeshi-san, 4年生です。4年生 means 4年 is 4 years and sei means student. So he is the 4th year of the university. And this 4年生 is also noun. So noun plus です。I will read again. Okay. Takeshi-san. こんにちは。木村武史です。メアリーハートです。留学生ですか？いいえ、日本人です。そうですか。何年生ですか？4年生です。So quick note, in the dialogue we have 何々人、日本人です。So said I'm Japanese, but we can put a country name and this jin means people. So if you are American, you can say アメリカ人です。And if you are Dutch, you can say オランダ人です。And also in Japanese university, we have 4 years. So, number in Japanese is 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to say which year, 1年生1年生 first year 2年生 second year 3年生 third year and then here we need to change Yonensei, not Yonensei, Yonensei. And if you want to ask which year, we can put this part. We can put Japanese word what here. That is Nannensei desu ka? We can ask which year. We can ask Nannensei desu ka? Nannensei desu ka? And second dialogue, at the orientation, Mearii introduced herself to everyone. So we have another dialogue. Mearii introduced herself. Hajimemashite, Mearii Haato です。アリゾナ大学の学生です。専攻は日本語です。19歳です。よろしくお願いします。So, はじめまして。This means nice to meet you. Mearii Haato です。This is name, introduce name, plus です。Then, アリゾナ大学の学生です。So, this is long, but アリゾナ大学 Arizona is Arizona, the name of the area in the States, and Daigaku means university. アリゾナ大学の学生 学生 is a student, but we have here no. This no means to connect these two nouns. So, we can consider this is the big noun, and アリゾナ大学の学生です。専攻は日本語です。専攻 means major は日本語です。This one 日本語 means Japanese and です。This is x equal y 専攻は日本語です。Then Mearii さんMearii さん introduced her age 19歳です。So here 19 is 19 and then 歳 means years old. We put number first and 歳です。So here Mearii さん skip subject. We don't say subject much, so it's okay. 19歳です。19 years old. And then, よろしくお願いします。We use this phrase so many times. And we introduce ourselves, and at the end of the introduction, we say this. We ask something to someone, we say this. So this is a very handy phrase. And this onegai literally mean is please. But you don't really need to think about it because we just use this phrase often. So just remember this one. This is handy. So, はじめまして、メアリーハートです。アリゾナ大学の学生です。専攻は日本語です。19歳です。よろしくお願いします。If you have a question, please let me know in the comment. I will try to explain. Thank you for watching and see you next time. またね。